it's me again. Congiari's men by it, yes. The Congiari's man who always gets blamed whenever it rains. Relax. It's not my fault, the water recesses faster than the flood control. But I'm tired of the blame game. So I've got a new project. From flood control, I'm switching to street food control. Yes, you heard that right. If no thing flows in the drains, if everything flows here in the streets, yes, pay CILI the oil. Just now someone me sagged me. Congiari's man, where's the bud get? I said to chill, it's busy going around in the I saw first. Of course, PEO Plare complain again. Come, why is there always flooding? Well, folks, even if I drown, I'll still eat my fish balls. Priorities, right. Here it is, fish balls, quick. I saw no delays, no red tape. If online flood control worked this fast, I'm not a real crocodile. So, magkakababayan, I'm just hungry. And if I used to swallow floods, now it's street food. From flood control to street food control. Festa test diet and definite lie and stop pa BLE.